What if the moon crashed into Earth? Have you ever wondered what would happen if the moon crashed straight into Earth? Today, we're diving headfirst into that wild, chaotic question. And trust me, some of the surprises you're about to hear are things you probably never imagined. So, buckle up, fire up your imagination engines, and let's find out what happens if the moon crashes into Earth. Rocket full moon, better beaches. If the moon slammed into Earth, it would send colossal waves surging across every ocean. Entire coastlines would be reshaped overnight, creating brand new beaches all around the world. Every day, there would be new surfing spots, new coastal cities, and endless places for beach lovers to explore. Sure, the whole thing would be wildly destructive, but hey, endless beach vacations. New mountains. The collision would send shockwaves through Earth's crust, pushing tectonic plates into overdrive. New mountain ranges would rise from the chaos, taller, sharper, and crazier than anything we have now. Think the Himalayas are tall? Get ready for the super Himalayas. Adventure tourism would reach a whole new level, assuming there's anyone left to climb. Instant global unity. One surprising upside, the entire planet would be united under one mission: try to survive. Governments would forget their squabbles and join forces faster than you can say planetary emergency. Congratulations, world peace. Finally, just in time for total annihilation. No more full moons. And let's not forget, no moon means no more full moons, which also means goodbye to werewolf legends, spooky horror stories, and creepy Halloween nights. No full moon, no monsters lurking in the woods, just peaceful, dark skies. You know, if you're still alive to enjoy them. Better space research. The moon's explosion would scatter debris across space and Earth's atmosphere. For scientists, it would be like winning the cosmic lottery, brand new material to study everywhere. New missions, strange discoveries, maybe even answers to questions we've never thought to ask. NASA would be very busy, assuming they have a launch pad still standing. Mega fireworks. The moment the moon hits Earth, the single biggest, loudest, most colorful explosion humanity has ever seen. Forget New Year's fireworks. This would be the ultimate light show. And guess what? Everyone would have front row seats, whether they want them or not. Cheaper lunar tourism. Ever dreamed of visiting the moon? Well, good news. After the crash, pieces of the moon would literally be lying in your backyard. No spaceship required. Just grab a helmet, step outside, and go for a moonwalk across your lawn. More precious metals. The moon isn't just boring gray dust, it's packed with rare metals like platinum and gold. After the collision, these metals would be scattered all over Earth's surface. Suddenly, finding gold would be as easy as picking up a rock. Diamond rings might come free with your next Happy Meal. Congratulations, you're rich, for about 5 minutes. Extreme weather excitement. The impact would completely wreck Earth's atmosphere. Weather would become wildly unpredictable. Sunny mornings, blizzards in the afternoon, maybe firestorms by dinner. Perfect excuse to cancel plans, stay indoors, and binge watch your favorite shows, if electricity still exists. New species evolution. If, and it's a big if, anyone survived the chaos, they'd face a radically changed world. Over generations, humans and animals might evolve in bizarre new ways. Imagine glow-in-the-dark rabbits, giant insects, or even dolphins that can fly through misty skies. National Geographic would have a field day, if there's still anyone around to publish magazines. So, are there any downsides to the moon crashing into Earth? Just one tiny problem. We'd all be instantly vaporized. Grinning face with sweat. The collision would release more energy than anything in Earth's history. Oceans would boil, continents would melt, the sky would catch fire, and life, as we know it, would be wiped out in the blink of an eye. Thanks for watching, and hey, maybe tonight, look up at the moon and just appreciate that it's staying right where it belongs.